Welcome to MindFlows. In this tutorial, we'll guide you on how to access the Monday.com basic training through the Template Center. Let's get started. Click the plus sign button beside the search bar and select Choose from Templates. At the top, click All Templates. Then head over to Monday.com Basic Training Template. This template is designed to address the majority of your inquiries concerning the Monday.com platform. This contains various videos for you to complete various tasks using your Monday.com board. Click the Use Template button at the right. To watch the videos, go to the Updates section or click each link found within the link column of the board. Here you can start with the basics, communication tools, automations, integrations, dashboards, etc. As you begin to watch each videos, monitor your progress by marking them with the status labels. Add important to notes from your learnings. And there you have it. You now know how to access the Monday.com basic training through the Template Center. Follow us for new tips weekly. We're MindFlows, a certified Monday.com partner.